Welcome to the Wallace Foundation's new website. In this video, we'll show you how you can create a free account and use your dashboard to find the information that most interests you. To create a new account, click on the Sign Up link at the top right corner of any page. That link will take you to a standard sign-up page where you can enter your name and email address and create a username and password. Enter the fields as you like, click on the CAPTCHA box, and click Create New Account to get to your dashboard. The first page of your dashboard will offer suggestions for recently published reports, articles, and other resources that may be of interest. Not the right content? Click on Edit Your Topics to select the areas of our work that you'd like to follow. Your dashboard will then show only the content that includes those topics. You can also use your dashboard to save resources for reference later. To save a resource, look for the bookmark icon on any page located next to the dateline for that resource. Once you've bookmarked some resources, go back to the dashboard. Click on Your Bookmarks and Downloads, and you'll see all the resources you've saved. That's your Wallace dashboard. We hope you find it helpful, and as always, please let us know what you think.